Ipvanish review, pricing, and product features. These days, as technology evolves, so does cybercrime. Data privacy is constantly being breached and more often than not, stolen and used for fraudulent transactions. This is especially true for individuals who utilize public Wi-Fi on their gadgets and devices. Any cybercriminal worth their salt can easily find their way around whatever security measure anyone has on their phones or tablets. So, how does one avoid getting their private and personal data viewed and stolen? The answer is VPN. Ipvanish understands the importance of keeping your online activities, personal and private data and transactions safe from prying eyes. Their promise of reclaiming your online privacy with the proper tools and support is a guarantee that you are shielded from any kind of breach whilst still able to go about your normal online routines. Let's start with the core benefits of signing up with Ipvanish. Safely access online media from anywhere at any time with internet traffic encryption and anonymous IP addresses. Ipvanish guarantees that you are safe from any kind of breach that could compromise your data with their advanced encryption protocols and over 40,000 anonymous IP addresses. With Ipvanish taking care of your VPN needs, your connection is legitimately uncrackable, untraceable and therefore, safe. True incognito. Browse the World Wide Web without leaving a trace with Ipvanish. Additionally, and quite important to note, Ipvanish does not keep any online activity logs. Limitless online experience. Ipvanish offers more than just safety and security. It offers true online freedom. Connect anywhere without having to worry about blocks. Access online media anytime regardless of location, country of origin, or other parameters that usually prevent you from viewing said online media. With Ipvanish, the phrase "not available for viewing in your location" will become a thing of the past. Moreover, because Ipvanish has over 57 servers around the world, 40,000 unique IP addresses and has no data transfer capping, Ipvanish is perfect for torrenting and streaming. Now let's talk about speed. Ipvanish is a fast VPN. It's the ideal VPN service to use for torrenting, streaming and even gaming, with its excellent speed and latency. However, Ipvanish is not just fast, it is also consistent. Reliability-wise, Ipvanish has performed really well in local, long-distance and international tests. Support and pricing. Ipvanish offers 24/7 support via duct live chat. Also, on the rare occasions that your VPN connection drops, Ipvanish protects your true IP address from being visible. Browse through the different price packages and find one that is most suitable to your needs. And despite not offering a free trial period, Ipvanish has a 30-day money-back guarantee. Not satisfied with their services and performance? Cancel at any time, no questions asked. In summary, Ipvanish is the perfect VPN because they offer a great service across the board. You get the safety and security needed to protect your online activity and information along with fast and consistent speeds, whilst having the freedom to a limitless online experience. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.